everybody. I am Pao. So I will say about togetherness event, and I will have lot of fun to go outside. And I met uncle, auntie, my friends and bhaiyas and didis. So I have met all of my families and all of my friends, all of my uncle, aunties, and I will thank to uncle, auntie, and thank you for planning this.
Hello everyone, na peru Samiksha.
Na peru Gaurav. We both are siblings.
And we are very proud to be part of the Togetherness Festival.
I had never thought my sister would play cricket that well.
And I never thought that my brother would play tennis very well. And he also gave an outstanding performance in cricket.
We had made many friends through this festival.
Thank you, RV, for organizing such an amazing festival.
Hi everyone. So the Togetherness Festival has definitely gotten everybody involved. It has helped us create new bonds, new friendships that we may not have otherwise had. It has also pushed so many people to take up so many new activities and discover so many hidden talents. And with how gloomy last year went, I think this is a real ray of hope and something that we all look forward to this year. So thank you for doing this.
Hi everyone, my name is Shivani Paripalli. I'm from Villa 86 and I was on my way to cricket practice, but I just wanted to say a few short words about the Togetherness Festival before I go. So currently I go to the University of Texas and I came to India to visit my dad during winter break, and I saw so much festive energy and enthusiasm and all these people coming out and cheering their teams that I just felt like I didn't want to leave and ended up staying here. And it's been one of the best decisions I've made because I've made so many new friends. Learned cricket from scratch. Living in India, for some reason, I was never a cricket fan, but now I am the biggest cricket fan, and I owe it to all the uncles and all the aunties and friends who've taught me the sport. And honestly, I never thought I would make so many new friends having lived in the community for so long. I thought I knew everyone, but turns out I didn't. I met so many new people, made so many new friends. We've eaten chaat together, explored Hyderabad together, and I'm just really grateful I get to participate in so many activities. I think during COVID, kind of everything is shut down. My dance team shut down, but I'm able to dance here in Richmond, so just feeling very grateful and blessed to be a part of such a fun, enthusiastic, supportive, and loving community. You guys are truly my family, so thank you, Richmond. Thank you, organizers.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and this is my daughter Vanvi.
Hello everyone.
So, and we are from RV. We shifted here in RV 1.5 years back, and believe me, जब हम यहाँ shift हुए थे हम किसी को भी नहीं जानते थे. And then up until last month we were knowing few families. But ever since this Togetherness Festival has started, it has brought a lot of change in our life. Now we know many people, everybody knows us as well. So this festival has really brought a lot of happiness and cheerness in our life. And as we all know that last year was so depressing year because of the corona, this festival has made a lot of good change in our life. And then we are very glad to be part of this community and this festival. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm a resident of Kirti Richmond Villas. I work in US and I'm currently on my vacation. Had I not come right now, I'd have truly regretted missing out our Togetherness Festival. The festival, as it's rightly named, is indeed a celebration of togetherness. Earlier, before the festival, I literally did not know anyone, and right now I can safely say that I know a lot of people and I've made wonderful, amazing friends and memories that I'm going to cherish for a lifetime. More importantly, I got an opportunity in spending quality time with my family, work as a team, and cheer for your loved ones more than ever before. I'm truly a proud RVite for a simple matter of fact that right from tiny tots to senior citizens, it's just amazing to see them come out and participate and give their best. It's truly motivating and inspiring to see people manage their busy careers, home, and everything else. We also have an amazing team of organizers who are undoubtedly the backbone in pulling out such a terrific event. Hats off to them. I really look forward to have this festival being celebrated every year and look forward to plan my vacation around this time every single time. And I just wanted to say that I'm truly honored and blessed for being able to be a part of such a beautiful event that only celebrates unity, harmony, and peace, which is undoubtedly the need of the hour. Thank you.
టుగెదర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రాం వల్ల మా ఫ్యామిలీలో చక్కటి ఆహ్లాదకరమైన వాతావరణం నెలకొనబడి ఉంది. పిల్లలు కానివ్వండి, పెద్దలు కానివ్వండి, చాలా చక్కగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇటువంటి కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించినటువంటి నిర్వాహకులందరూ కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను.
కీర్తి రిచ్మండ్ విల్లాస్లో ఇలాంటి టుగెదర్నెస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఇంకా ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. దీనివలన మా పిల్లల్లో దాగినటువంటి ప్రతిభలు కూడా మేము తెలుసుకోగలిగాము. ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రాంలు నిర్వహించినటువంటి నిర్వాహకులందరికీ కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hello everyone. I've been having a fantastic time with the Togetherness Festival that's been going on at Richmond Villas. I'm sure all of you do as well. What a fantastic start to 2021. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the organizers for their effort and the time that they are putting into this. It's just mind-boggling. So thank you so much. Unga organizers ellarkum romba romba nandri. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, this is Srini Parepalli from Villa 86. I just wanted to say a few words about the wonderful Togetherness Festival we are having currently. I've been in Richmond for almost 7 years now and have never seen this kind of festive atmosphere in Richmond. All day, weekdays and weekends, young and adults participating in so many events, sports, cultural. It's been a great experience, and especially during COVID times, when the whole world is locked inside, we are very fortunate to be doing all this. Kudos to the organizers. They are doing a wonderful job. And my daughter, who came here for a winter break from US, she liked it so much that she postponed her trip, and she's staying an extra month just to participate. And through Green Earth, she learned throw ball, cricket, and is enjoying every day here of her stay. So I want to thank the organizers again for for making Richmond such a beautiful place. God bless Richmond. Take care.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Togetherness. It itself speaks for it. It brings all of us together. For the past 1 month, it has been really, really incredible experience. It's no less than a festival, and that's why we call it Togetherness Festival. Lot of sports, lot of events, lot of people. It couldn't have got better, especially after COVID around. Everybody was, confined towards their house, and people coming out, participating in large numbers, playing multiple games, basketball, cricket, volleyball, football. Most of the games we played for the first time, and a couple of them we were really excited to be part of it. Lot of cultural festival, Antakshri, group singing, group dancing, and a lot more skits. So it was really, really fun being part of it. It's really being part of the entire event. And kudos to the organizers. There's so many people around. There's so many events. There's so many reschedules that people have been requesting. Getting everything done on time. Getting everything addressed as per the plan. It's a really, really commendable job that these guys are doing. Commendable job from the kids, ladies, men, everyone who are participating in the event and making it really, really a grand success. So I don't think it could get any better than this. With 14th February approaching, everybody is like wondering what are we going to do next.
Yeah, we are definitely gonna miss that, and we request organizers that just plan it every year so that we all come together, celebrate and enjoy.
Yeah, absolutely. Can't agree more. Thank you everyone who are part of it. Thank you organizers who are doing a wonderful job. Looking forward for more such festivals in the future. Have a great time.
Bye-bye.
Hi, this is the first time in my life that I have explored so many sports, played them, found the joy of having friends, playing with them. So deep gratitude to the organizers for this Togetherness Festival. Thank you.
This has been an amazing journey of my life. One of the most fun-filled joyful and sporty events of my life. God bless all the organizers, coordinators and volunteers for organizing this festival, and thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Prashanti from Villa 56. It's been about 3 months since we moved into RV, and we were just trying to settle down, make some new friends and socialize a little, but then this Togetherness Festival kicked off in early January, and making our job really easy. We could socialize, we could bond with a lot of people, share common interests, learn a lot of new games, things which we haven't done in the past decade plus, at least for me. My kids have been continuing their games, my husband's been socializing. I really feel proud because a lot of sport, a lot of cultural events which have brought people together, bearing in mind all the COVID regulations. The organizers have done it so very well. Looking forward to have more fun and lots of festivals, togetherness festivals to come by. Thank you, organizers. Thanks, RV.
Any event, whether it's a corporate event or a family event, family function, is best described by the experiences of its participant. The Togetherness Festival, I think, is best described by the community members through their experiences. Let me tell you about ourselves. So, me and my family, like every other family, middle class family, are bound by our routines. We go to our office, we have our responsibilities at home and office, we finish those in a predefined set of work pattern. Over the period, we think that, okay, this is how we are built for, or this is what we are made for. And we kind of shut other possibilities very methodologically. But the event like Togetherness allows us to break ourselves from this routine and do something which we have never imagined that we will be able to do. That is basically craving an opportunity to discover ourselves. Many of my friends also has discovered new friends. Like they have discovered themselves, they have discovered their friends, they have connected with so many new people, and they have connected with existing people, all new. Now I know that, okay, these guys are not only like a good sportsman, they just don't enjoy each other's companies, but they also have certain skills. Those skills are from creative side, those are from the sportsmanship, and we know now each other so well that we want to continue this togetherness forever.
నమస్కారం, నేను డాక్టర్ జయశ్రీని. పల్మనాలజిస్ట్ కావడంతో దాదాపు గత సంవత్సరం అంతా ప్రతిరోజు వందల కొద్దీ కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ చికిత్సలో లీనమైపోయాను. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే కాస్త అలసిపోయాను. అప్పుడే ఆర్వీలో జనవరి 1 నుండి ఫిబ్రవరి 14 వరకు ఆర్వీ టుగెదర్నెస్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశారు. మొదట్లో కాస్త భయపడిన ఆర్గనైజర్స్ కోవిడ్ నిబంధనలు పాటిస్తూ ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ని చేయడం చూసి మా కుటుంబం అంతా ఇందులో పాల్గొన్నాం. ఎన్నో ఆటలు, పాటలు, నాట్యాలు, ముగ్గుల పోటీలు, జీకే క్విజ్, ఫ్యాషన్ షో, స్కిట్ లాంటి పోటీలు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశారు. ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ ద్వారా కొత్త పరిచయాలు, అనుభవాలు, అనుబంధాలు మమ్మల్ని శారీరకంగా, మానసికంగా బలపరిచాయి. ఆర్గనైజర్స్ అందరికీ వాళ్ళ విలువైన సమయాన్ని కేటాయించినందుకు నా హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఈ పండుగ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జరపాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
प्राचीन काल से भारतीय संस्कृति विश्व के आकर्षण का एक केंद्र रहा है. हमारी संस्कृति की एक खास विशेषता है अयम निजम परोवेति गणना लघुचेत साम उदार चरिता नाम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. ये वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की जो हमारी नीति है हमेशा से सभी को आकर्षित करता रहा है. और आज इस पैंडेमिक, इस महामारी कोरोना के समय हमने देखा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम से क्या फायदे हैं. और खासकर हमारे आरवी सोसाइटी में लोगों को बीमारियां हुई, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर, एक दूसरे को सहयोग देकर हमने उससे अपने आप को उबार लिया. और आज के डेट में हम देख रहे हैं कि फिर से अपने पुरानी संस्कृति को आगे बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है। इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारे आरबी के कुछ सदस्यों ने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत नायाब तोहफा हमें दिया है टुगेदरनेस का। ये टुगेदरनेस क्या है? टुगेदरनेस आपसी सहयोग, मित्रता का संदेश हमें दे रहा है कि हम इसे बढ़ाएं और इसी के तहत इन खेल, नाटक, गाना, नृत्य का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। पूरे आरबी में पिछले 1 महीने से जोश, उल्लास और उमंग देखने को मिल रहा है। सच में यह एक त्योहार को प्रदर्शित कर रहा है जो महीनों तक चलने वाला एक त्योहार है। जिस तरह से कुंभ मेला होता है, वैसी कुंभ मेला का एक रूप मुझे नजर आ रहा है और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ भविष्य में भी हमारे आरबी के सारे सदस्य इस एकजुटता का परिचय देकर प्रेम और सौहार्द की भावना का संदेश आरबी से बाहर हैदराबाद ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे भारत को ये संदेश देंगे, जो हमारे लिए और हमारे बच्चों के लिए, आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा मार्गदर्शन का काम करेगा। धन्यवाद।